Hello everyone! Magandang araw sa inyo lahat. Welcome back sa aming YouTube channel, Farm TV Realty Lopez. This is Louis, one of your site educators today. Ngayong araw ay nandito tayo sa bayan ng Katanawan, Quezon. Mayroon tayong isa siting property na may sukat or lawak na 2.9 hectares or hektarya. Property is mga 2 kilometers away from the national road. Merong right of way yung property from there hanggang dito. Diyan yung starting property. So ang right of way niya is mga nasa 75 meters more or less. So that is the barangay road. Then again, there's a right of way from there papunta sa property na mga 75 meters. So ang property din is malapit lang sa beach. I think mga nasa 1.5 kilometers lang, and when we entered this barangay, I saw a lot of beach resort signage. So I suppose like there's a lot of beaches around this area as well, since it's nearby the beach nga, mga 2 kilometers away. Meron ding malapit na school sa banda doon. But anyway, tara, tingnan natin yung property. So yeah, this is the start of the property. Sa part nito is medyo pababa. Hindi pala medyo, pababa pala talaga. Pero hindi naman siya like yung matarik na pababa. Since madali lang naman bumaba dito. And yung property daw is parang paikot. Pag ganun. So, dun sa kabilang part is flat yung property. And doon daw yung mas malapit na right of way. And dun mas malapit yung school. Siguro elementary school. I'm not sure, but later if we have a chance na makita, papakita ko rin sa video. So, ang puno ng niyog dito is mga nasa more or less 500 na puno. Yan. Mga puno dito is matataas, matatarik, matatangkad. Again, paikot yung property. So from there, papaganon yung property. Okay. Yung sa barangay road naman kanina, may part lang na hindi cemented. Bale yung sa tapat ng property na to is hindi cemented yung kalsada, but accessible pa naman still. Hindi naman siya like yung super rocky road. Sarap ng hangin dito. So I think ang maganda dito is malapit nga lang sa National Road, 2 kilometers away lang. And from the town proper of Katanawan, mga nasa 16 kilometers away. But yeah, I think it really is a good thing, right? When the property is just 2 kilometers away or really nearby sa National Road, kasi ayun nga, easy to access, very convenient. Ayan, yung sa pataas na yun is kasama pa rin daw. Again, paikot yung property. Itong part na to is medyo, ayan, medyo pa-slope siya, pataas. But dito naman is flat. Siya ni maganda yung property. Maaliwalas tignan. Hindi siya like yung sobrang madamo. Ayan, sa part na to, di ba? Super maaliwalas tignan. mga bunga. Sa part nito, dito lang yung may mga matataas na damo, mga ligaw na halaman. I'm not sure kung ano to. I think parang maliit na sapa na tuyot. Not really sure. Pinaganahan ng niyog. Actually, magaganda yung bunga ng niyog dito. Ayan, marami rin sila magbunga. Hindi lang masyadong kita sa camera since naging silhouette siya. Pero, maganda magbunga yung mga niyog dito. Marami. And there are kids playing there. Ayan, ganyan yung itsura ng property actually. Meron din mga bule. I believe it's bule. Walang masyadong, I think walang mga fruit-bearing trees dito. So, yung main source of income is, mga niyog. Yung mga niyog. Okay, so, I'll try to show you guys naman yung other part ng property. Alright. Yan. Again, andun ako kanina. And I just wanna show you guys yung part na to ng property na maraming puno ng niyog. Yung baka na yun is nakawala. So, medyo nag-iingat. So, ito yung part na maraming puno ng niyog. Okay. Ayan. I think it's visible naman from here. Ganyan yung itsura ng mga bunga dito. Well, I'm kind of scared dun sa baka na nakawala. It's like, it was running earlier. They were running. Okay, now I'm kind of scared. Alright, hello guys again. So, I'm here ulit. I was there kanina. Pakita ko lang din itong part nito since sabi ng kasama namin is hindi pa yata nasa-survey. Yung sa kabilang part na may right of way. So we're still unsure about that and ayoko naman na i-include yung part na yun na hindi kami sigurado. So yeah, I just went back here. Ayan. So again, yung property is hanggang sa may taas pa niyan. Kapag ganun yung property, paikot pa doon. Oh, I can hear tuko. Okay, so part na to is, ayan, malinis itong part na to. And meron siyang, I feel like dalaw yun ng tubig to before. Ano lang siya ngayon, tuyo, since tag-init na rin, tag-araw. Ayan, kita nyo naman diba? Ay, ang mga nakikita nyo puno ng niyog is part ng property. Maganda yung pagkakatanim sa mga puno ng niyog dito. Yan, mula dyan hanggang papunta ba doon, yung pinuntahan ko kanina na may mga baka. Ayan. Alright. So anyway guys, if you have any questions, any inquiries, do not hesitate to contact us through the phone numbers on the upper right side of the video. Again, this is Louis, one of your site locators today. Thank you so much and see you on our next vlogs. Bye!